اللهم صل على محمد وعلى آل محمد كما صليت على إبراهيم وعلى آل إبراهيم إنك حميد مجيد.
That better?
Yeah. Who are you? You CIA?
Good morning, Sergeant Blackburn.
When are you gonna tell me what's going on?
18 hours ago, I get a call from Homeland Security saying there's a Marine in detention I need to talk to. Some story about a terror plot in New York, and the Marine claims he has information to stop it. Now, the best part is, he says it's gonna happen today. So here we are. You look jet-lagged, and by that I mean you look like shit. Who is this?
That's him. That's Solomon.
And you still believe he's planning an attack here in New York?
Don't you?
Why?
Because he said so.
I read the file. He's trying to save his own ass. He doesn't know what we want to know.
Wait, just hear me out. You want to bury me after, go ahead.
We don't need to bury you. You're already dead. He doesn't know what we want to know.
We're on the clock. I'm pursuing this lead. What you're going to do is help us clarify the attack scenario. Your cooperation might even get you free of the world of crap you currently inhabit. All you have to do, Sergeant Blackburn, is fill in the blanks. Are we clear? When did you first hear about Solomon and the PLR?
It was 9 months ago. Operation Swordbreaker, Iraqi Kurdistan.
Okay. I'm listening.
Go tell that long-tongued liar, go and tell that midnight rider, tell the rambler, the gambler, the backbiter, tell him that God's gonna cut him down.
Misfit 1-3, this is Misfit Actual. We advised you are crossing the LMD in 2 mics, over.
Copy that.
Yo, does anyone else really not get what the fuck we're doing here?
Quit being a fucking hippie, Montez.
I'm just saying, bro, if this is about the PLR, we should be in Iran, not Iraq.
They're crossing borders, dog. PLR's the right people, all right? They don't make them any righter.
Misfit 1-3, this is Misfit Actual. We have a situation developing here. Get your team dismounted and into the staging area ASAP.
This is 1-3. Copy out.
What the fuck are we stopping here for? Our objective's 20 clicks north of here.
I don't know, Montez. Yeah, let's get out on the road. Okay, let's go. Move.
Guess we're late to the party. Where's the LT? Hanging right up here. Hey!
You ever ask yourself how this part of the world gets so fucked up all the time?
I just work here, Dave.
Gentlemen, welcome. As you know, we're dealing with the PLR insurgents crossing over from Iran. A lot of sectarian tension. I counsel you to remember, gentlemen, the people of this country are not your enemy. The PLR is. At 0930, we lost contact with Viper Squad. They're investigating a possible IED near Spinza Meat Market. That's a pretty fucking bad part of town. We believe the PLR involved. Sending you in to find our Marines, provide support, call in Kazovac if necessary. You're the quick reaction force, gentlemen. I'm trusting you to handle this. Let's go find our Marines.
We're on it. Let's go. Way behind, gentlemen. Let's go find this patrol. We have a SID rep on enemy inside this district. Assume the worst. Go.
Getting mad creep out vibes in here.
ID your targets.
What is this? School?
All right, I keep forgetting. You don't have schools where you come from.
Stick together. Check your corners.
What was that?
Someone needs to tell the OD to blow those ammo dumps further away.
Wait, Tremor. We're like 90 clicks from a major fault line.
Big cross street here. Hella exposed.
Wait, what? Something coming. Wait for him to pass. Let's move. Okay. Cross some twos. Black, you and Mankiewicz kick the door on the right.
Okay, moving.
Get the lead out, Black. Now!
Hey, where the hell are you going? Get back over here! Not a single civvy. I don't like this shit.
Gun! Sniper! Up and smoke! Fire easy! Sam, take it inside! Come on! Come on! Give me cover! Let's go! Sniper, still up! Hey, stay low! Stay low! Keep shooting! Taking fire! 12 o'clock! Here they come! Take that fucking guy out! They're moving! They're moving! Let's go! Let's go! Behind me! Give me a sit rep! I'm up! I'm up! I'm up! I'm fucked up, but I'm up! RPG! Mark 12! Second floor! Stay away from the fucking car! Friendly's coming in! Friendly's coming in! Everybody light that building the fuck up! Black! On me! Tango's bus building! Far in parking lot! They're flanking! Moving! Right there! Right there! Reach out! Now!
We got him. Hey, buddy. Can you feel this?
All right, up we go. Check your corners.
I hope Chapin's gonna be okay.
You'll be fine. He's a tough son of a bitch.
Eyes open. It's all you. Shit! Too exposed. You gotta go cover the front. Don't stay visible in the window. Wait there!
These guys weren't local. They weren't speaking Arabic. Al-Bashir's exporting all-star insurgent talent out of Iran to here now?
I don't know. Let's just get up on that roof.
Misfit Misfit 1-3, this is Misfit Actual. That sniper's still up. Be careful out there.
Clear. Clear. Shit! Contact! Anyone got eyes on? I can't see him. Dude, that's a fucking 50. Stay low. Stay low. Hotel, I think. Let's go. Cover to cover. We'll draw him out. Ready. Moving.
Okay, moving.
Going.
Okay, moving.
Going. Okay. Get on the fucking deck. Get down to the edge. Stick his head out. And then we fucking shoot it. Roger. Hug the wall. Black. Wait for us to get into position. Don't bunch up. Keep moving. Talk to me. You got eyes on? I got it. Black now. There's the sniper. Okay. Across the street. 50 meters midway up. He's dug into a spider hole. I got AT. Give it to Black. Shit, cover's getting ropey. Clear. Clear. Shit! Contact! Anyone got eyes on? I can't see him. Dude, that's a fucking 50. Stay low. Stay low. Hotel, I think. Let's go. Cover to cover. We'll draw him out. Ready. Moving.
Okay, moving.
Going.
Okay, moving.
Going. Okay. Get on the fucking deck. We get down to the edge and stick his head out, and then we fucking shoot it. Roger. Hug the wall. Black. Wait for us to get into position. Don't bunch up. Keep moving. Talk to me. You got eyes on? I got it. Black now. Shit. Just keep going. There's the sniper. Okay. Okay. Across the street. 50 meters midway up. He's dug into a spider hole. I got AT. Give it to Black. Shit, cover's getting ropey. You're the best shot. You see that weapon glint? You waste him. Make it count, brother. I'll cover you. And you hit him. Clear your back blast. Stand by. 3, 2, 1. Suppress it!
target!
We good?
We're good. Let's go find this patrol.
Misfit 1-3, this is Doc Holliday. We got your man patched up down here. We're ready to move him back to the staging area for evac. Can you provide cover from up there?
Sure thing, Doc Holliday. Which direction, over?
North side.
Misfit 1-3, in position. Looks pretty clear.
Roger that. We are moving. Over.
Keep your eyes peeled for hostiles. Our guys are pretty exposed down there. Watch your sectors. I see enemy movement, street level.
In cover. Take them out, 1-3.
Left side! Ringo's on the roof, straight ahead!
Okay, moving.
More guys coming in. Check the street level and rooftop.
I think we're clear, Misfit 1-3. We are moving. Over.
We got your 6. You were clear.
Oh, you gotta be kidding me!
Firing!
Misfit 1-3, this is Doc Holliday. Many thanks. We're through. We'll take care of your buddy. Out.
Moving in on us now. I think they're in the building.
Can we get the fuck off this rooftop now, please? Roger. Can't go back down. Too messy. Find another way down.
Okay, come on, let's go.
We'll never make it over.
We can use this as a bridge.
Do it. Fucking Boy Scout. Go, go!
Misfit 1-3, this is Misfit Actual. You want to get moving to the site ASAP. Over.
Temporary setback. Break. We're Oscar Mike to target location. Over. We're pushing through. Let's hope they're okay.
So what happens if the PLR take over? A country run by terrorists ain't good.
Bro, America was founded by terrorists for terrorists. What do you think the fucking Revolutionary War was? History is determined by the motherfucking victor.
How did you even get into the Marines?
You know what, Campo? I often ask myself the same goddamn question.
Is that the patrol?
It's two of them.
Just stay focused. Shit, we got wounded NKIA in here. I got it. Misfit Actual, this is 1-3. I need cast back ASAP. How copy?
1-3, I can finally oblige. Hang tight. Misfit, out.
Man, this layout doesn't look right at all. Yeah, I found something. This is totally not good. Secondary's under here!
Secondary, copy that! Oh, fuck, boys, we are attracting a lot of fucking attention! What's the problem? Can't cut the wire?
I can't cut anything till this wire's traced!
Blackburn, you're nominated. Follow the wire!
Blackburn, did you get that? Follow the goddamn wire. You okay in there? Just another goddamn tremor. Nothing to worry about. 1-4 is here to reinforce. Just get that wire cut. fucking go!
All right, you claim you were knocked out after the earthquake.
Yes, sir.
Don't bother calling me sir, it's not gonna matter.
Because you're gonna torture me anyway?
We don't work that way anymore. Now you just go to the darkest corner of the room.
Great.
How long were you unconscious?
Sun had set when I came to. There was a broadcast.
Were you out for 6 hours? 8? It's important.
Is that a train?
Try to focus on the question, please.
I was still shaky as hell when I pulled myself out, so I don't know. It was dark.
Pulled yourself out. You were buried?
I did see something.
You just said it was dark and you were groggy.
Are you trying to get a rise out of me?
We're just along for the ride, Sergeant Blackburn. You're driving. For now.
If you say so.
So it was dark and you were groggy. You saw something after the quake. What was it?
On the other hand, I have a better idea.
I let you choose. Choose. Choose what?
Oh, come on. What is it? Live or die? Live or die, mister. Himshi!
Iran is affecting all operational capability in the Iran-Iraq region. This net will be delivering updates